Thanks for being here with me today. Maudie with MUCAN Garden, just hanging out in my yard today. Today, what I am working on is kind of a different idea on relining my fabric planters that are hanging on my fence that have all of my marigolds in them. If you remember, months and videos ago, we had started the marigolds from seed. They're looking beautiful, but I did run into a couple of issues. Moisture drying out, so I lost a few of them just from that. And then from pests, mostly slugs have gotten to them. So I want to, and I actually did go out and buy new ones to replace the ones that I've lost, and coming up with a different idea on how to maintain the moisture level in those fabric pots, planters, just because they dry out relatively quick, despite watering about every 2 days, sometimes even twice a day, depending on, the warmth of the weather. But I did have a lot of leftover landscape fabric from when I did my garden boxes. And these are really nice because they, you can see through it. It has the holes in there. And with this plastic material, so what I have been doing is kind of cutting these into little squares. And then what I'm gonna do is pull everything out, insert this in there, and then just replant everything right inside. So it has that extra layer just to help keep that water retention in. So that's what my hope is today. So hang out with me. Hopefully this works. But hey, this is a great time. If you haven't already done so, hit that like, subscribe, please. And then in the comment section down below, let me know what you've done to help retain moisture for your hanging plants. All right, well, let's get started. Okay, so it's been about a week and a half since I had gone through all these bags and then put the landscape fabric in there to help keep it moist. Honestly, it's been nice. I feel like it has been helping. Now the trouble I've run into is the slugs. These were looking really great, and then as you can see here, I've got slugs and all these slugs that have decided to nibble on everything. So up until pretty much yesterday, these were looking really, really good. And you can see up here all the signs of slug damage. So I'm gonna revamp and try to find, I might do like a little beer trap or something to keep these slugs off my flowers. But that's it for today. Thanks for being here with me. Please subscribe. Hit the like for me. And again, thank you so much for being here with me. I hope you have a great rest of your day and a wonderful weekend.